Here we go again in Bávaro, Plaza San Juan, and today I am treating myself with IKEA food. Okay, let's go for lunch today at IKEA. And here what they have from IKEA. We start with these sweets, the cakes, cheesecakes. It's around like $3 more or less, something more probably. Wraps and salads. And this is the area. Croissant. The meatballs, the famous meatballs of IKEA. And then the fried things, chicken and heated. Junk food today. Let's say sometimes again. We have pequeño cheese, little South American style with some salsa. We drink with the salsa. Probably is a garlic salsa, and chips. So here is what you see outside, Taco Bell in front of us, and I am in IKEA. Okay? Enjoy! And the bill is 315 pesos, around $7. And just to terminate, I'm going to have an ice cream. Gracias.